I will cut the brinjal into pieces. I will select the best one and the one out, and then having cut etc. I will discard. The good one I will take and then cut into either long pieces or cross pieces, and then put it into the boiling water. So before cutting we have to keep the water on the stove. Let me see what condition the water is. Turmeric powder, salt, salt for taste. How much you require you can, but don't add more. Now let it boil. I will cut the brinjal and bring it meanwhile, and I will add the tamarind also to it, tamarind water. You have to remove this pedanga. This you have to remove and cut either long or you can cut. You can see how tender it is. You have to cut it like this. Today I am going to cut long size, so that we can use it even for making the vattal korambu. Yes, like this I will cut all the brinjals and then boil it. Then I will keep it in the sun on a cane plate, a cloth spread over it, and keep it for 2-3 days and then store it. Adding tamarind water. Some people, they after boiling and drying, they add buttermilk. They put it in the buttermilk for 3 hours, then they dry it. If you want you can do it, but I always do like this. Now the water is boiling. I am adding the brinjal pieces. This should be dried very well, then stored in a dry box. We can keep it even for 1 or 2 years. You can fry it with any kind of rice, curd rice, sambar rice, if you don't have any vegetable poriyal etc. And you can make the vattal korambu also with this. Now see it well, let it boil, just boiling for 3-4 minutes, and then see the salt if it is enough. If don't add more salt. I feel that I should add little salt to it. Already I have added that little of tamarind water. That is, I have taken one small lemon sized tamarind and make 1 katori of that water and added to it. Now let it boil. Then we will keep it for the filter it and then keep for drying. So 3 minutes over. Enough. Now I will put off the flame. Then I will filter it. A cane plate and spread the white cloth over it, which I always use for other purposes like drying the green chilies which I washed and kept. I am going to spread this over it and keep in the hot sun. Now the brinjal vattal is ready. I have to keep it in the hot sun. It will be there for 2-3 days. Evening I will keep it inside, and then after 2-3 days when the sun is very hot, it will be dried very well, and store it in the, I will store in the clean dry box and keep it. It may be preserved for 1 year at least, or even 1.5 years. Now the brinjal vattal or sun dry of brinjal vattal is ready. You can see that how it is nicely dried up. Now I am going to fry it. Adding sufficient oil in the kadai. When the oil is hot, bring down the flame. Now I am going to fry the vattal. I am going to fry the vattal. The medium flame you have to do it. Now the oil should be hot in the beginning, then you bring down the flame, then you add the vattal at medium flame, you turn and fry it. Just like other vattals we do. It will be very tasty and yummy. Now it's ready. Put off the flame. Now take it out. Now the vattal is ready. It is very tasty and yummy with any kind of rice as side dish. Even this can be used for making the vattal korambu. Hope you will enjoy. Like it, and make use of your time by doing these activities like these activities. And then remember your Nani. If you like, share, do comments, and please subscribe and grow my channel. Thank you. May God bless you.